Thank you so much for going through the lessons so far. And now we're going to level up a little bit and understand what Power Query is. Power Query is one step that you will have once you load the data onto Power BI, then you will be doing some steps like cleaning the data that you have, which will help you to go to the next step, that is data visualization, like creating all the visuals in that or creating the report. It will help you, that is the transform data steps will help you to clean the data as required, and remove all the clutters. So let's see how to do it. So for that you need to uh, click on either transform data. So if you click on transform data, this is how the Power Query editor page would look like. I will close it from here. I will show you a few more ways that you can come to a Power Query Editor page. You can go to the Data tab on the right hand side. Click on the data that you have. That is, we have financials data, right? So we will right click it and click Edit Query. So this is one another way of getting onto Power Query Editor. Now, what is the next way is, there's one more way wherein you can come directly onto Power Query Editor, like when you try to upload the data onto Power BI. So this is one step which we saw previously, when we just skipped the transform data part and we loaded the data. So let's see how it is. And for the entire demo of Power Query, which is like the basic ones which we would require in the practical world, like mostly you would require the practical world, that is what I'm going to cover. So for the demo I will be using a different data altogether from a new Excel sheet, right? So now let's try to load that Excel sheet. And yes, this Excel sheet is attached to this lesson. You can find it in the lessons resources, and it's called as Data for Power Query Demo. I'll click on Open. Here, select the table. The table will be table 1, and you can see this is the one which I'm going to use. It is the simple one, and uh, I kept it simple so that we understand each and every uh, tools or features that we had Power Query Editor. So the next thing is click directly transform data, right? We will not click on load. We will click on transform data and come on to Power Query Editor, and we will do step by step query editing or cleaning of this data, right? So now you are in the Power Query Editor page. You can see on the left hand side queries. So we have financials, we have table. I will just rename this Power Query Demo. So this is how you can rename the data. And if you want to switch from one data to another and check the tables, you can just click on them and you will be switching on to the respective datas. And on top, we have the different tabs: home tab, transform tab, add column, view, to tools, help. We will check these one by one, and we'll also going to see each tools that we have in Power Query. Uh, and this box is the formula bar, right? And on the right hand side we have applied steps. So in applied steps you can see what changes you have done to the data, right? And you can remove, and if you add something, add any step, you will see on the right hand side those steps. If you want to delete, you can uh, click on delete. So if you do any changes, it will come up here as step. And if you want to remove, like doing Control Z, right? If you do Control Z, you can do undo. So you can click over here and undo the step that you have taken. So This is it so far, as in for this particular lesson. Thank you guys. See you in the next session.